Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. In the last video, we saw chapter 2 along the yellow brick road. Now, in this video, let us do a short revision about what we studied in chapter 2 along the yellow brick road. The yellow brick road is a small piece and it is taken from a book called The Wonderful Wizard of Oz. Now, let us do revision about the three main characters of the story. There are three characters in the story. First is a young girl called Dorothy. Second character is a talking scarecrow. And last character is a talking tin man. Now we are going to discuss the summary of this lesson in brief. Dorothy was a young girl and she was carried away by a storm to the magical land of Oz. There she had many adventures on her journey down the yellow brick road. Along the way she met some strange new friends. First of all, she met a talking scarecrow and they both decided to go to the Emerald City. But as they were on the way to the Emerald City, they heard a sound of groan. So they decided to go in the forest and to find out who is groaning in the forest. In the forest, they met a talking tin man who was groaning out of pain because his joints were rusted and he could not move them at all. Dorothy oiled his neck and leg joints till it moved easily. Then they all decided to go to the Emerald City to see the Great Oz so that their wishes could be fulfilled. They all had a wish. Dorothy wanted to go back to Kansas, that is her home. Scarecrow wanted some brains. Tin Man wanted a heart. With these three wishes, the three started marching towards the Emerald City to meet the Great Oz. Now children, you will take out your English copy. You will take a new page in your English copy. Put today's date on the left hand side corner. Write lesson 2 along the yellow brick road as I have written in this video. After that write question 1 hard words. Here 10 hard words are given. These all hard words you are going to write 2 times in your English copy. The hard words are troublesome, thoughtfully, surprised, discovered, immediately, grateful, groaning, certainly, cheerfully, entirely. Now children, you will come to the next page. Write question 2. Make sentence. Leave one line, after that write 1 was moved by. Then next line sentence. I was moved by the wonderful dance performance of a handicapped child. In this you will underline was moved by. Then after this leave one line, write number 2. Gave a sigh of relief. Next line sentence. The bird gave a sigh of relief when it came out of the cage. In this you will underline gave a sigh of relief. Then leave one line. Third number grateful. Next line sentence. I felt grateful when my friend offered me help. In this sentence, you will underline grateful. After that, children, you will leave one line, write question 3, who said to whom? Leave one line after that. Next line, write 1. I don't know, but we can go and see. Next line, answer, Scarecrow said to Dorothy. After this, leave one line, write number 2. We are on our way to the Emerald City to see the Great Oz. Next line, answer, Dorothy said to Tin Man. After that, children, leave one line, write question 4, answer the following. Leave one line again. Next line, write question 1. Who was groaning in the forest and why? Come down, write answer. Tin Man was groaning in the forest. His joints had rusted and he was unable to move at all. He had been standing there and groaning out of pain for more than a year, but no one heard him and came to his help. After that, leave one line, write question 2. How did Dorothy help the troubled man? Come down, write the answer. Dorothy heard his voice and came to his help. She got an oil can and oiled his neck and joints. After that, leave one line, write question 3. What were the different wishes of the 3 characters in the story? Come down, write the answer. Dorothy wanted to be sent back to Kansas. Scarecrow wanted some brains. Tin Man wanted a heart. After that, children, you will leave one line, write question 5, answer in brief. Leave one line again. After that, write question 1. What is unusual about Scarecrow and Tin Man? How do we know they are from a fantasy land? Come down, write the answer. In the real world, it would be difficult to find a scarecrow and a man made of tin who walk and talk like ordinary human beings. Hence we know Scarecrow and Tin Man are from a fantasy land. So children, this is your homework. You have to complete all these in your English copy. So till then, students, goodbye.